Hello, I'm James Maxwell and I'm one of the staff horticulturalists here at Rogers Gardens. And today I'm going to talk about my design, the balcony patio garden. So one of my main objectives with this design was to utilise as much vertical space as possible. Unfortunately, when you're working in a small area, there's only so much floor space you can actually use. So using as much of the wall space as possible was my main objective. For example, the reclaimed pallet shelving, which I put together, I think was a great use of space. And then also using reclaimed pallet wood to create this succulent wall frame was a great use of wall space. And then also working in where you can some succulent baskets and so on. Also, some of the other elements I've worked into the space of course are somewhere where you can sit and enjoy a morning cappuccino or an evening beer or a glass of wine. So obviously a bistro set we've utilised into the space here. Something we of course sell here at Rogers Gardens. Small, compact, bright and cheerful. Obviously containerised plants. I've utilised the aloe vera succulent because it works in both sun and it actually works in low light situations. And you can utilise its medicinal benefits. I did want to work in an large edible plant, and I decided to go with the Mexican key lime. I've had a lot of success using key lime trees in small spaces, and also spaces which only get half-day sun. Key limes have actually produced for me in a half-day sun situation, compared to some other citrus choices which will not allow for that. And then also working in some edible greens or some herbs into the area was essential. Was an essential part of the design. So another element in the design which I strongly advise to work in is outdoor lighting. String lights are all the rage at the moment, and they really bring some elevated impact into any small space design. So if you like my design, come into the store and I'd love to help you out with your own balcony or patio design. Once again, I'm James Maxwell. I'm one of the staff horticulturists here at Rogers Gardens. Love to see you soon. Bye bye.